This is Sunny Weathers, and I'm live here at Oshkosh EAA Airventure for the Wednesday night air show. If you've never been to an air show at night, then you need to put that on your bucket list. They are fabulous. And tonight, they're hoping to set a world record of lighted drones flying in formation. So that should be incredible. Until the air show starts, we get to sit out here at the beautiful grounds among the airplanes and enjoy a cool summer evening. Sunny Weathers, live from Oshkosh.
Been 10:30, folks.